Hi guys, it's Urjia here. Today, I'm going to show you a day in the life of a first year architecture student every day so that I can be more productive with my work. And this is a clip of me walking to the campus. I usually get breakfast from the uni supermarket, and as you can see here, today I got a chicken burger. After that, I head to my architecture studio. This is where I spend most of my time in, doing things such as drawings and model making. I usually go for badminton with my friends to spend time with them and have a healthy lifestyle. My friends enjoy playing badminton with me and they are really good at it as well. After badminton, we ate at a place nearby our studio. The food never disappoints me. I can say that it is the best Chinese food I've ever had in Newcastle. After eating, I went back to studio to do some more work. This is me enjoying my time doing work at the studio. I got back home and got ready to sleep. That pretty much sums up the day in the life of a first year architecture student. I hope you guys liked it. Bye bye.